Today, we'll be going on the land together. I grew up in the city and I've been living in Port Dickson since 2011. Around COVID time, I started to have a deeper relationship with the place and the land, hanging out a lot in the mangroves. We will be using different names today for the workshop. It will be a mashup of your name, the name of a person who is important to you, and the name of a place that's important to you. Because we're going to be creating a creature, and this will be your name and the creature's name as well. We're going to try to create the shape of our mind. Think of a positive, a neutral, and a negative mental formation. And that will become the basis of your creature. Draw the sense organs, because now we have the shape of our mind. Then now we need our ears, our eyes, our nose, a mouth or a tongue, and also the touch organ, could be fingers and hands or skin. That will be the creature of the mind. And take a look at the cards on here. Everybody has a role to play. We're going to go onto the land together. Take your creature and then place it on the land and trace the shape around it. Port Dickson, it's quite a degraded landscape because this is on the Straits of Malacca. It's not paradise. I stopped documenting the trash because it's just too much. It's a perfect day on an eroded beach and there's trash everywhere. The white-collared kingfishers draw this line of blue, white, and brown from left to right. Hermit crab, find a piece of trash on the land, draw legs and a head peeking out. Mudskippers, begin drawing a trail from any edge. There's storm clouds coming in on the horizon. The tide has come in. The wind is howling. Rain and thunder lash the shore. Everything on the shore holds on as tight as they can, animal, plant, and rock. On the morning of the third day, the sun is shining brightly again. And it's another day on the eroded beach.